Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to craft decorative popsicles using rubber bands. First, gather your materials. A variety of colorful rubber bands, some craft glue, and a few standard popsicle sticks. Ensure you have a clean, flat area to work on, and perhaps a small, rectangular mold or template to help shape your creation. Now, let's begin forming the popsicle body. Take a few rubber bands and wrap them tightly around each other, gradually building up a rectangular shape. You can layer different colors to create a striped effect. Use a small amount of craft glue to secure the initial layers, ensuring the shape holds firm as you add more bands. Next, carefully insert a popsicle stick into one end of your rubber band creation. Wrap additional rubber bands around the base of the stick and the main body, integrating it seamlessly. Apply a generous amount of glue where the stick meets the rubber bands to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Let your rubber band popsicle dry thoroughly before handling. Once dry, your rubber band popsicle is ready for some creative touches. You might add a sprinkle of glitter or paint small details onto the bands for extra flair. These unique, non-edible creations are perfect for decorative displays, adding a whimsical touch to any space. Enjoy your handcrafted rubber band popsicles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.